Hello, Katmang family. Short on time but looking to boost your sales. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up WooCommerce checkout upsell offers in under 5 minutes. Imagine your customers are about to check out and bam, you hit them with a tempting last minute offer. That's the power of checkout upsells. And it's an easy way to increase your average order value without being too pushy. Why should you bother with upsell offers at checkout? Studies show that impulse buys at the point of purchase can increase your revenue dramatically. And the beauty of checkout upsells is that they are non intrusive. You're just offering a relevant, timely deal that makes sense to the customer. This is the last chance to convert, so let's make it count. Let's dive into how easy it is to set this up. So to create a checkout upsell offer in WooCommerce, I'm gonna show you one plugin that I really like, which is Upsell WP, which does the work easy for you. And creating these upsell offers is very easy. I've already installed and activated the Upsell WP plugin on my site. So going to Upsell WP's dashboard, this is what the dashboard looks like. You can go ahead and start creating your upsell offers by going to the campaigns tab. Well, once you're on the campaigns tab, all you have to do is click on this create new campaign button and choose checkout upsells. Once you make your decision, you can simply see that you're directed to this page where you can actually create your upsell offer at the checkout. So let's call this campaign with a name. So I'm just gonna the title. Once you enter the title for the campaign, you can go to the next option, which is offers. Here's where you decide the display location at checkout page first. You can very well choose any option from the drop down below, or in fact, if you have your personalized location, then you can just use the short code. And then comes the display method. Now, since this particular checkout upsell can have up to 10 offers, you can choose how you can display those offers at checkout, whether at a random pace or all offers, or simply use another testing method called A/B testing. So let me just go ahead and create an offer first. So click on this add offer button and you'll be able to go to the offer info where you'll have to enter an offer product. So let's just go for an offer product to be cap and then quantity. So as soon as you enter the product here, you'll have the preview of the upsell that is presented at the checkout for the customer. You can take a look at it and you can also test how it looks like in both desktop and mobile versions. And then comes quantity, which is an optional field. You can choose if customers are supposed to get this upsell for a fixed quantity or have a quantity of their choice. And then comes discount type. Here you can choose a discount type for your upsell offers, which includes percentage discount, fixed discount free, or no discount at all. You can choose any of them, but I'm just going to go for a percentage discount of 20. Once you set a discount value, you also have usage limits where you can limit the usage of this particular upsell offer, whether overall or for a single user. If you need those options, you may have to enter the number here. I'm just not going to use any of them, and then save this particular offer that you've just created. Now you'll be able to see you've created one offer. If you want, you can also create another offer. Let me just show you how to create that. So let's click on add offer again and choose the next upsell product that we're trying to sell out. So here we go. Rest of the fields are just like the previous offer, so you can just go ahead and customize it. I'm just going to go for a fixed discount to see which one works better. So let's go for a fixed discount of $40. All right. Now, rest of the fields you can enter if you really need it, and then save and customize it. But before we save that, I should also mention you have the capacity to customize the look and feel of this particular upsell that is presented at the checkout. For that, you'll have to just go to the content and customize any field that you want, starting from the offer title, the description, the CTA text, and stuff like that. And comes the design where you can do additional customizations. For example, you can in fact change the template, and here are the number of templates that you can actually choose from. And then in order to do custom styling, you can simply enable this checkbox and you'll have options to customize it on your own. After you do all the necessary customization and you feel it's good to go, you can save your upsell campaign. Now, since you have two offers, you can choose how you can display them. Like if you want to do all offers or random offer or do A/B testing. I'm just going to go for random offer and then simply save and close this particular campaign. In case you want to have additional conditions added to this particular campaign, you can very well do that by going to this add condition button and choosing from the drop down below. That is it. You also have the flexibility to schedule this campaign in advance or for the future. For that, you'll have to make use of the start date and the end date option. Cool, isn't it? Now let's simply save and close and see how this checkout upsell is actually presented at the checkout in a real-time scenario. For this, let me just take you to the shop page and let's try adding some products to the cart. For example, this one. Now that I've purchased a product, I'm proceeding to the checkout. And on the checkout, you'll be able to see that the upsell offer is presented to me. Now, when customers click on this particular checkbox, this particular offer will be immediately added to their order. And then they can continue placing their order. Now, upon refreshing, you'll be able to see the other offer presented to the customer. So this way you can randomly display your upsell offers, or in case you want to check which one works best, then you can also make use of the A/B testing method, and you'll be able to see how many clicks or how many users really wanted the offers. Because with the A/B testing method, you'll be able to find out the customer behavior and which of the upsells really work out for your store. So now if customers need this product, they can simply click this checkbox and the offer is added to their cart, and then they can proceed with placing their order. As simple as it is. Now let's talk about psychology. When you're setting up upsells, think about what your customer might need at that exact moment. So here are some few tips for that. 1. A well-placed offer just before. Next, use phrases like limited time offer or only 5 left in stock. This you can do with the customization options that's available in the plugin to create a sense of urgency. Let's also go over some best practices to keep those conversions high. As said earlier, you will have to simply keep it simple because your upsell should feel like a natural extension of the customer's decision, not a random suggestion. Next, offer time limited deals. Use time sensitive promotions to encourage urgency and higher purchase value. It's also very important for you to avoid overwhelming your customers, so don't clutter the checkout page with too many upsells. 1 or 2 focused offers will do the trick for you. Now, if you really want to take it to the next level, you can also consider post-purchase upselling or bundle your upsells, or in fact split test your upsells using the A/B testing method. That is it. WooCommerce checkout upsells in under 5 minutes. By implementing subtle upselling tactics and taking advantage of buyer psychology, you can increase your store's revenue without overwhelming your customers. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy selling.